Audio Jungle.
Hi viewers, this is Avinash Agriwal. In this video, mainly we discuss about the game-changing technologies in agriculture. Mainly these technologies are like nowadays technologies which can help to change of a present-day agriculture. Now we see the introduction about the game-changing technologies. Mainly the game-changing is the digital technology in farming. It is like a mainly the mobile operating system in the farming. Like the recent evolution of digital technology in farming will further accelerate growth by ensuring higher crop yields. By using this technology, we can furtherly increase of a good crop yields also, and mainly it enhancing sustainability by reducing water consumption and the use of agrochemicals. Mainly it also reduce the use of the water consumption very less, and also the less use of the chemicals, and increasing of a good sustainability productions. Now we see the some game changing technologies, like the first game changing technology is the drone technology. The people are nowadays using this technology very more, and the robotics and automation, the technology is there. In future it will be the use is more, and the precision agriculture it also following, and the vertical farming, and it is also in USA and other countries, foreign countries, the most people are following. And the artificial intelligence, this is a AI technology now trending technology. And the gene editing, it is also a good technology. And IoT of things, and next is the hyperspectral imaging. These are the some of the game changing technologies. Now we see about the first technology, that is drone technology. In the drones, mainly drones are becoming increasing popular in agriculture. Like the drones are nowadays the people are using this drone technology for like various activities in the agriculture in the present days. Mainly see this image. This image indicates an spraying of a chemical or a pesticide to the crop at a good growth stages, and with farmers using them for tasks such as crop monitoring, mapping, spraying. Crop monitoring and mapping is mainly see like for the identification of a particular area, like how much land is cultivated in a particular area. This having a sensors and a camera. Through this we can mapping of a field, and drones can cover large areas quickly and efficiently. By using these drones, mainly within a short period of time we can cover off a long area by the spraying of chemicals and other activities, providing farmers with real-time data. And it can provide a good real-time data about their crops. They can also be equipped with a sensors and cameras to detect issues such as pest infections or a nutrients deficiencies. By this use of this drone, mainly at in the good crop growth stage, through these sensors, mainly we can identify of a diseases and the pest in the field, and you can easily detect of that disease. And we can go for a further decisions, like it's required to spraying of chemical, means we have to spray the chemical in the next sections. By using this technology, there will be a good game changing technology. This is also. And the next gaming technology in agriculture is robotics and automation. Like this is a technology like in future it have a good scope. The use of robotics and automation in agriculture is increasing rapidly day by day. The increasing of use of this robotics and automation, with robots being used for the tasks. Through the robots we can use of a different task. See the tasks like planting, harvesting, and even milking of the cows. By using this robotic machines, nowadays the planting will be easy, and for the harvesting of crops also. Like this technology is implemented in the foreign, not in India that much. Like in future there will be a scope to implement this technology. Like these technologies not only save of time and the labor costs, but also improve efficiency and accuracy. See this is the like reducing of a time. Like the people are busy in nowadays, like there will be no labor or a no farmer to do work in their respected fields. So by using these robotic machines, you can easily transplant of the crops, like at a accuracy, like where it required at a proper distances, we can planting of a crop. And see, for example, the robotic milkers are able to detect when cow is ready to be milked and adjust the milking process accordingly. Like when the cow is ready to give the milk, means like the machines will be ready to, like automatically they can ready, and accordingly resulting in a higher milk yields and better animal welfare. Not only in the agriculture, for in the like animal husbandry also, this robotic and missions automation are like this is one of the game changing technology. The next game changing technology is precision agriculture or precision farming. Mainly this is this technology involves the use of sensors, GPS mapping and data management tools to optimize crop yields and reduce of waste by using of a sensors and GPS mappings, mainly to increase of a crop yields. And like the farmers, by using this precision agriculture, they can monitor their soil moisture levels and the temperature in the fields and how much nutrient content present in the field, and allowing them to make data driven decisions about their plant fertilizer and irrigate their crops, when to plant their crops, and how much irrigation should be required for the crop, and how much fertilizer is required. By using this technology we can manage all these things, and this not only saves the time and money but also reduces the environmental impact of farming. This not only saves our money and also time, and it can be providing a good sustainable land for our future generations. When we use a required fertilizer and the required irrigation to the particular field means save off some amount of fertilizer or irrigation to our future generations. It can one of the game changing technology in the agriculture. And the next game changing technology is vertical farming. This vertical farming have a good scope in the present day agriculture. Mainly in the vertical farming, it is a new technology that allows farmers to grow crops in vertically stacked layers using of a artificial lighting and climatic control systems to create the ideal growing conditions. Mainly in this vertical farming, the people are farming their cultivation without the soil, like a soilless farming. It is also called a soilless farming. In the this is the vertical rows. In the vertical rows they are growing of the plants in the proper climatic conditions, means providing of a artificial temperatures, artificial air, and the plant required the conditions will be provided in this vertical farming. And this technology is particularly useful in the urban areas. Why it required urban, this technology is useful why in the urban areas means in the urban areas the people are in the different business ideas, they are constructing their real estate houses or different items now. That's why in urban areas, mainly in the particular room temperature only we can grow in a crop, where space is limited, as it allows farmers to produce a large quantity of fresh produce in a small footprint. Means in a small area we can cultivate of a different vegetables here mentioning. And vertical farming also reduces water usage and eliminates the need for pesticides and herbicides. In this vertical farming, mainly reduce of use of the chemicals and pesticides also. When the crop required only we can providing through the irrigation water or through any material. And it also reduces of a use of these pesticides and herbicides. And the next game changing technology is artificial intelligence, AI is mainly in agriculture nowadays. It's playing a key role in the agriculture, mainly through the AI. The farmers are making informed decisions from the air crops, analyzing large amount of data. See here, enabling farmers to make data driven decisions about everything from planting to harvesting, from the seed sowing to the from the harvesting. The AI is taking of a good decisions. And AI algorithms can analyze vast amount of data, including weather patterns, soil health, and crop growth rates. It providing different types of data, including weather patterns and how it is soil, and crop growth rate, how it growth of different growth stages then are, from seedling stage, booting stage, panicle initiations, flowering, different growth stages it can giving a data. And it insights that can help them to optimize their operations. It can be using of this technology we can perform of a different operations in the field. AI can also be used to predict crop yields. Before harvesting of the crop, only through this AI technology we can predict of a crop yield, how much we can getting in a particular area, and identify potential problems before they occur. When there is a attack of a disease in before in the crop means, through this of AI technology, identify of any disease symptoms in the plant means, there will be a infection of this particular disease. We can by controlling of the disease previously only, not to effect of more. And this allows farmers to take proactive measures to prevent crop damage and ensure a successful harvest. By using this technology, the farmers can be prevent of their crop damage by of the successful harvest. And the next game changing technology is gene editing. See, gene editing is a powerful technology that allows scientists to modify the DNA of plants and animals. Like this gene editing is like changing of genes one plant to another and animals also. Like in agriculture, this technology can be used to develop crops that are resistant to pests and diseases. Like by using of this technology, mainly we can developing of a resistance of the pest and diseases of the crop varieties, and as well as crops that are more nutritious and have a longer shelf life, and also we can improve of a good nutritious values in the crops. And this gene editing can also be used in the reduce of the environmental impact of agriculture by developing crops. This is used to reduce of a environmental impact in the present days also. And the crops that require less water and a fertilizer also. By developing this gene editing, we can reduce of a require of a less water and fertilizer to the a particular crops. And this technology has the potential to transform the way we produce food and help us address some of the world's most processing challenges such as food security and climatic change. By changing of it nowadays the different climatic and conditions, it can providing of a food to our generations. It will be this technology is this technology can improve of a hybrid varieties, and which can be sufficient food can be provided for our generations. Now we see the next game changing technology is IoT in smart farming. IoT refers to the Internet of Things. Like in the IoT, smart agriculture products are designed to help monitor crop fields using sensors and by automatic irrigation systems. Mainly it can be a monitor of the crop, like from the seed sowing to the harvesting. It can be easily monitoring of the crop by using sensors and automatic irrigations. Automatic irrigation means when the crop required irrigation, it can be easily irrigated to the crop. And as a result, farmers and associated brands can easily monitor the field conditions from anywhere without any hassle. Like by using this technology, by sitting anywhere, we can easily operate of this use of this technology. And take a look at the different uses of IoT in agriculture by means of various IoT solutions. By using of this technology, the farmers are now most beneficial now. And the next game changing technology is hyperspectral imaging. Mainly by using this technology, uses of a cameras and sensors and to capture of this detailed information of a particular field or a particular area. Mainly by investigating an emerging promising technique for measuring the quality and protection of a horticulture and agriculture products. By taking this of a hyperspectral imaging, how much cultivated land is there, how much barren land, you can finding of easy data from past 20 years. This hyperspectral imaging using, and this technology evolved from remote sensing. Remote sensing is through of these sensors and cameras only it can be work. And these mission vision and point spectroscopy realms to provide a superior image and segmentation for defect and contamination detection. It providing a superior images for our data observations. Up to now we observed the different game changing technologies. Now we see the advantage of some game changing technologies in agriculture. The first advantage is increasing yield on existing land, increasing of a yield, and it reduces the pressure on bringing new land into agriculture. It can reduce of a pressure to not to bring a new land to agriculture. By cultivating of the previous land only, we can increase of a yield. Biotechnology and genetic engineering have resulted in pest resistance and increase of a crop yields. By using some of the technologies and genetic engineering, we can easily develop of a pest resistance and increase of a crop yields. And mechanization has lead to efficient tilling, harvesting and reduction in the manual labor. By using the mechanisms also, and efficient tilling and harvesting as be done. Up to now we observed different game changing technologies and some of the advantages in agriculture by using these game technologies. Now we see the disadvantage in the game changing technologies in agriculture. The first disadvantage is the some of the technologies required and special skill to operate. like required a special skillful persons for the operation of this technology, and the cost is more, and some of the like vertical farmings and like using of some drones also, like these are cost is more, and it can't reach to all farmers. Like some of these technologies are like in urban or some in foreign countries only, like it cannot reach to all farmers in the agriculture. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share.